How to remove add to cart button in Shopify Dawn theme. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to achieve this. So basically, we want to get rid of this button right here. So once you actually open up any product, you can just go ahead and remove this add to cart button. So how do we actually achieve this? First, you will need to just go back ahead like so, and you want to open up your Shopify admin. From here, you want to just go to your online store, go to themes, and then you would want to just locate the theme that you want to change it to and click on customize. Now in here, we basically want to locate our default product page. We can go to it from the top panel here and just click on products and then just click on default product page, or just go ahead and click on any product that you see. Regardless of how you got here, basically you can feel free to remove the add to cart button easily from the left panel. In this left panel, you will have many different settings that you can set up. For example, we can just go ahead and right away, remove the variant picker by clicking on the eye right next to it, which is just going to make it disappear. And also, if you have quantity selector, you want to remove it, you can also feel free to do so. But most importantly is going to be the buy buttons. Now, if you just go ahead and click on the eye right next to it, it's actually going to remove both of them, which is the only option on how to actually remove the add to cart. Now, here's the thing. If you want to remove the buy now instead only, you can also just go ahead and click on that and then just click on the first one, uncheck it, and it's just going to remain the add to cart option. Now, there's no way to make it, so that only buy now remains and add to cart gets removed. That's unfortunately not an option. So here is how to remove it. Now, if you do this, however, it's actually going to change for all your products. So it's not going to be only to this specific product. You need to understand that. But you can also work your way around it so you can make it for only one specific product. So right now, I only have one product in my store, but to do so, and you just want to make it so that it goes away only for one product, you want to just go to any default product page, click on again product here, and click on create template, and you want to give it a name. For example, no add to cart, and click on create template. Once you do that, you basically want to do the same thing here. So you want to basically remove the buy buttons and click on save. Now, this is not going to make any changes yet. The last thing for you to do is actually go to the products that you want to set this up for. So just go to products, click on the product that you want to remove the add cart to from, and then you want to, after you click on it, scroll down a little bit and go to theme template and select the template that we just created. Click on save, and now this specific product is not going to have it. Not all of them, only this one. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.